Hey guys, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do a really nice lightweight makeup look for summertime that doesn't feel heavy, that looks really nice and light and fresh, and that everyone can do. So I'm mixing some of the products that I've been using for the past couple of months with some of the products in this month's Ipsy Glam bag, because you guys know I'm an Ipsy creator and they're partnering with me on this video. So yeah, let's jump into it because I'm really excited to show you this look. So I want to talk about nails first. This is the Pretty Woman nail polish. It's in the shade Private Jet. And I really like this because it's fast drying, doesn't chip, and it's long wearing. And it's a really nice summer color because it's that nice neutral that matches with everything. It's like that off-white, so I really love that. So let's move on to the face. I'm taking this Feel Pure Anywhere Balm. It's in Rose. And it has a slight tint, but not anything noticeable. But you can use this on the lips, anywhere on the knuckles where it's dry, and it's just gonna help to heal the skin, smooth it, and make it look really nice and plump. I want to tone my skin so that way it's really nice and smooth, and I have a nice smooth base for my makeup. So I'm taking this PIXI by Petra. It's the Glow Tonic. It has 5% glycolic acid in there, so it's really going to help to brighten the skin, smooth it out. I'm taking it on a cotton pad. Doesn't have a scent to it, doesn't tingle or burn or anything like that. So I'm just going to smooth that all over, and it's really going to help my skin to glow and be nice and bright. Then I'm going to use this COTZ Natural Tinted. This is the Face SPF 40, and it has a little bit of a tint to it. It's basically a tinted moisturizer. It also works really well as a primer. It's a really good shade, so it's not going to look too light on me or anything like that. I want to go ahead and concentrate this towards the middle of the face. It's going to really help to smooth out my skin, prep it for my makeup. So I am heading to Utah, and I'm really excited about it. I've never been to Utah. I think this is going to be a really great trip. Thinking of vlogging it, but I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. So after I film this video, I'm just going to go ahead and finish packing, head to Alyssa's, and then we're going on a private jet. Oh my gosh. Private jet to Utah, guys. I don't even know who I am anymore. And then I have another priming product, but I really like this one for the nose area where I tend to have larger pores. So I'm taking the POREFESSIONAL Pore Primer, and this is from Benefit. And this is also really great for smoothing out your skin, filling in those pores. So just taking this, concentrating this towards the nose area, T-zone, where our pores tend to be the largest. And I'm patting this in because I feel like once I pat the primer in, it really pats it into the pores, giving you a really nice smooth finish. So I want to move on to the eyes because it's going to be painfully simple. I'm taking this Pacifica Mineral 5 eyeshadow palette. It's in the shade Tomboy Vibe. And with all Pacifica eyeshadows, they're pretty natural and they are made out of minerals. So I'm taking this brown shade here, and I'm just gonna sweep this over the lid. Like I said, we're keeping this really nice and light. Oh, bugger. Keeping this really nice and light and natural. It's almost barely there makeup, you know? Just for summer. It'll be perfect for like work. Or even just like a nice beach day. If you want something really nice and light. I know some people wear makeup to the beach. Sometimes I do, so I'm not judging anybody. And then once I have that on, I'm gonna go in with this Bobbi Brown Longwear Sparkle Stick. It's in Gilded, and I really love this for adding some nice shimmer and sparkle. So this is gonna go right into the center of the lid, and I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger just to give me a little bit of extra something, you know? And so once I have the eyeshadow on, like I said, super, super simple. I'm gonna mix my two concealers. I'm gonna apply concealer first, drag that down, and then add the foundation. It's just the way I like to do it these days. So I'm taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. It's in the shades Sucre d'Orge and Macadamia. And I really like Macadamia for canceling out, or I'm sorry, I really like Sucre d'Orge for canceling out darkness under the eyes. So I do a light layer of that. And then just take my Beauty Blender sponge just to work that in. And then I like to take Macadamia just to brighten up under the eye. And then just around the nose, also where I have redness. And I'm doing really, really light layer of this because I want it to look like skin, but just healthy skin. I always forget to do brows when I have a bro because you technically can't see them. So I'm going in with foundation, and this is the NARS Longwear Radiant in Tahoe. It's my summer shade, so it's a little bit darker than normal, but I'm liking it. So I'm taking a MAC 127S. This isn't necessarily a foundation brush, but I really like it for really working in the foundation and patting it where I need more coverage. So, and it makes it look really nice and light and natural. So just taking this down to the neck as well. And then just blending everything in with the sponge. And then before I set the skin, I'm gonna take this KALEIDO Cosmetics skin blush. This is in the shade PRIMADONNA. It's a really pretty sort of peachy pink shade. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with the FIRMA Beauty 102 Elite Blush Brush. And this one is synthetic. It's a really, really nice, soft brush. So I'm just gonna apply this to the cheeks, concentrating towards the top of the cheek, and it's really gonna give me a nice sort of rosy, natural glow. Blend it in with a sponge. And I really like this blush because, I mean, it looks like skin, doesn't have any talc in it. It's made out of 100% plant-based ingredients, and you can also really layer it up, or you can make it really nice and light and sheer if you're going for natural. And then once I have everything the way I like it, I'm gonna take this Laura Mercier setting powder, translucent setting powder, and I'm taking this fluffy Laura Mercier powder brush. And I'm just gonna powder under the eye to set my concealer, around the nose, chin area, and then lightly over the foundation. And then once we do that, I can do some mascara. I'm taking the NARS Audacious mascara, running that through the tips of my lashes. Since I have lash extensions, I don't want to mess with them too much. And of course we need brows. I'm taking this MAC Spiked Eyebrow Stylus and just gonna lightly fill in my brows. I like this because I can draw brush strokes, so it looks really natural. And also while we're here, we can add a little bit of bronzer. This is the DIORSKIN Mineral Nude Bronze, and it's in 04. I prefer 06, but it's shattered to pieces. So just taking this on the back of the cheek and then chin. If you don't have bangs, forehead. Also gonna take a tad bit of highlighter. This is MAC Whisper of Guilt. I'm not going crazy with this. Can go pretty overboard with highlighter, but I think a little bit of it does look really, really nice just at the very top of the cheekbone. And of course, tapping it in with our sponge. And I love it down the nose for the summertime, but not too much because you'll look sweaty. So last thing is lips, and I'm taking this Huda Beauty lip liner. I really love a lip liner when I'm wearing a gloss, and I'm doing a gloss today because I've been doing gloss for the past couple of months actually. I prefer a gloss. It's just more moisturizing than the lipstick. So taking this liner, and it's in the shade FLIRT. And then I'm taking this MAC Mini Lip Glass. It's in the shade Nymphette, and it's gonna give me a really nice glossy glass shine. Like this rose gold, so pretty. And that is it. That's my extremely simple, easy makeup look. It looks super natural. It feels really lightweight for summertime. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of sheen to my shoulders. I'm taking this Delectable by Cake Beauty. It's the Triple Citrus Blend Body Butter Cream. And it's whipped, rich, and fluffy, and it has citrus in it, shea butter. Oh, it's closed. So that is it. I thank you all so much for watching and for PIXI for partnering with me on this video. Leave all your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will catch you guys next time. Until then,